Hello guys, today I will be showing an easy method by which you can fix your damaged ballpoint or gel pen. So let's get started. When your pen has fallen from a height, in most cases the pen's nib would be damaged, and it would be similar to this case. It would be a waste to throw away the refill containing this much ink. If this is the case, just replace the nib with an old refill as shown. Now remove both the nibs. Before putting the old nib, just clean it as shown. This is to remove the gel present inside it. Now put it on. After this, take an air pump like this, or I think any other similar pump would do. Now fix it and apply pressure. Just apply a small pressure similar to the pressure that you would apply if you are blowing into it with your vest. Don't apply too much pressure, as it would shoot out the refill. Now while applying pressure, write with it until it starts writing. After which, just remove the pressure and start writing with it. As you can see, it has been fixed. That's it for today guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys on my next video. Bye.